Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you use AI settings under the bot settings on the BotPenguin platform. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you will find different options. You have to select the bot for which you want to configure the AI settings. For the demo purpose, I am using this website chatbot. Then you have to navigate to the chatbot settings section right here. Here you'll find different subsections: design, general, alerts, trigger, user access, chat window and AI settings section. So it's clear, to configure the AI settings, you have to click on the AI settings option right here. From here, you can configure the bot's personality and you can do the Chat GPT model configuration. Let's discuss about configuring bot's personality first. From here, you can create persona. You have to tap on the Create Persona button right here. Here you can enter the persona title. I am entering general here. And here you have to enter the persona description. And here you can upload any photo. Do not forget to click on the update button. Only then your changes will be saved. From here, you can manage the communication style. You can decide how the chatbot talks. You can select the answer length from here if you want your chatbot to answer in short length, long length, medium or very short length. You can also select if you want your chatbot to answer as a first person, second person or third person. From here, you can configure the tone. And you can select the language from here. I am simply selecting English. You can also configure the answer formatting from here. If you want to include sources for response, you can enable this button and then you have to click on the update button. You can configure how the chatbot will manage chat scenarios. You can add action by clicking on this button. For example, I have added this. If the chatbot doesn't know the answer to any question, then it will reply with this message. And if the users type something offensive, then the chatbot will reply with this message. You can also enable or disable the status of your actions from here. And if you want to edit your action, you can just click on this button and then you can edit it. You can also add custom instructions here. You can add your prompt here and then click on the update button. So that was how you can create a persona. Then we have the Chat GPT model configuration option, from where you can integrate your chatbot with Chat GPT and manage which Chat GPT model you want to use. You have to click on the Integrate with Chat GPT button right here. And here you have to enter the Chat GPT API key. If you want to know about how you can generate a Chat GPT API key from the OpenAI platform, I'll give the video link in the description box below. You can check that video out. After entering the API key, you just have to click on the Connect button. And this way you can do the Chat GPT model configuration. So that was all about how you can use AI settings section on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.